ikurwa amigiri jechikosi ao bunabono building and construction kusubwagachi abwasiba kwigiria ubwagachi bw'ikinyumba naboigo ebiwanda ao kurobare ekose ya version design garment na dressmaking gusi ubusoni bw'icyanga n'ebintu ao abu ase bari na mbeyemo asugutwara kimashin ichekerero n'ebindi binge nkwegerie bare amangana a beauty and hairdressing aigon kwegeri bare igore pedicure manicure barbering braiding plating na yande amange ICT aigano institute ye ebwata computer nebintu ebinge by'okwegeria ICT gwetania skuru ndi yonse era sorogongoro iga
asama lieta nkuru kwa Alpato Maliba mwalimu manne Ogetwebe Technical Training Institute serikali yakolire bya sana asogotwa institute ni gwecha saya asengencho etagete komenta ochusi ase abana bali bakole skuru ase isemi cy'obufundi nabo boliri moleta abana wachese skuru linde banyore system cy'obufundi biyamo
boigon kwegeria bare electrical engineering power option boigon neroro asaba kwegeria igoriye chinguru cy'umuriro bwestima na kubeka chinguru ecyo ase emeche n'iki company ao secretarial na plumbing katiye chindi chinyingi munabono social work human resource management na nigo bakora chikosi echi ase ebiringo bya arts and short courses certificate na diploma nigo ebwate aborokia babwate obumanyi bebirengo bikromono mbayitiri ne wizarega megeria yega nabo ndebwensi akwegerigwa inchubono utari kubwate kegori utari kubwate no mumurore usino mweseke Gitwebe Technical Training Institute niki kutoka kilomita eyemoyoka kurasomochi umugwawa asepare nene yilami yakoro ikonge kogenda chebera
inche Kenneth Mongare Ngaga, a Dean of Student, Gitwebe Training Institute. Iga karokwaretiro mwana Gitwebe security gere guaranteed. At present, abana tuwate 600 in all the departments. Togoson. Na yonyolire kwaletiro mwana atuare skills tokonye Kenya.
Asamange bakiresimi ase namba 0713985300. Gitwebe Technical Training Institute, skills for self-reliance.
Mugasomia mwancho murigirira Gitembe Television ritukio ria Alhamisi chitariki 22 karibu sana ase kionga chinse isano nebere chabono mugaso veni nyaboke nero rakoletera ega asinchira ayebimanyerere nainche Guruko Matilda Obayo Kranso ke tunyara gusanga asinchira yobwenge korwa ase orogongoro gusi nabo korwa ase serikali enene mwancho murigirira negero otuguchaka magana yechisemi nigobono amate yomongina Elizabeth Nyangate korwa Elizabeth Nyangate Nyoka korwa ase kenyoro yakura yo kutoka me ward ya Busambaro ebunge ya West Mugirango county ya Nyamira bono egosabe konywe eli omwana obo ase rieta Frida Nyaboke Nyoka anyare kugenderera masomae kubwa mono kirakagere usekira bona tugoswa eskuru ya Banyaruka ya Nyabururu ase grade kerike kome omwana oyo ndiganyare tukonyora chi point 50 na isano ona ibere igoro yechi point 52 na ibere asamatemu kolekana gusamatemu aria KGCA nikobono batebiruna mugaka bwingeyu niganyara gutwara umuchando gusenigaba abetega kurwara asegeke egetambe ikikererete barabugututa enibo nyingi kirabo bagusaba ukonyo mwana uyu agende skuru
bate breast cancer yorobere yaro yakere tubero bukagenda bukaire nyingi ngaita sinyagitari just pinka onikire gento paka boni gande buseganda butkende atakere ko report lakini tindanyora besa goikerera bunandega bono bona sabira mwana ariko konyo bakonyo naende mondolera mabera muno muburaka aseboni gatimbo ati mulemba sengenjo umwana one akorera kila rituko tabwati maremba gonde mama njendi ngocha kwenda school lakini tinda nyora bokonya nasabira manyara gonkonya lakini umwana agende school. Kwa majina ni Frida Nyaboke Nyoka, a student of grade 9. I did my KGC exam. I got 67 points out of 72. But now in our family, my father passed away. He was the breadwinner of the family. Since my father passed away, this life has been miserable to us. We even sleep hungry because we don't have anywhere to dig. We are just like this. I will pray that anyone with a good heart to just help me go back to school and to accomplish my dream of being a neurosurgeon. I was called to Nyabururu Girls High School.
Asante sana so yoko boko na baraibande ga Kibanyamira County undu wensi onyore information yeye mungino mubara kekera kurira nyasaye ba abakune chinkoro moso yoko boko mwana yagende school nere breadwinner ase family yera bwata bana 4 bono yo nero beire breadwinner nyasaye abakune chinkoro musire ase nkeye yabo kunanda gaiga kirani endeteyo undetayo baranyara ko baba gutamira nakara umwana asoyiri nyasaye umugwatira ko bako etirengereye undu wensi pin information yeye gwikira bali bakurigiye proga hawo abarayi hawo abateregita aba MCA aba senator oro mpaka iguru no nyo gutuyikira Ruto gaki umonene abakune chinkoro musiro mugine Elizabeth.
Hasengana bune yokorwa umuchio ubosongo nigobono umwana munyaroka we miaka 10 oyo bonete guswa egrade kya gatano ona kabere nigo esokire kubane umuti ase chinsa emrongene na isano na isato. Celine Olivia oyo konyo gusoma se skuru ya Excel Academy nigobono atebire gitambo kirekyo negyo kurwanirira abana bali babwato umwiburi oyomo gose abechi single parent banyare kuinyorwa asugusiro hirikwane kibuna abana babo banyore chisemi buna abande nigo achagete engane yo ritukorigoro margoba isiko ya bisi yo mugavana we county ya Kisii na boigo nekirabona gusaba bokonyi ore onde wensi ore no moyo bo wanchukuya nyare ko makonya nere enyorere chisemi. Mwanzo murigiria umurae wense moske William Ruto nigakwanire mirobiri ya serikali yogosira chisemi nekirabono atebire kirenga ya serikali ya eno kwena kibona chisemi gusabana ebigori byonsi banyare kwenyorera masomo aliaganeire kurwa chiskuru choboroso chiria cha junior school chiskuru cha senior schools na boigo nonye bali bagosoa ase college aiga nigakoya kwana kurwa se county ya Meru chinga kemumerana na basae bakurwa county ya Embu county eri ya Tharaka Nithi na boigo county ya Embu ase ukwegorero wechibesa cha umuroberi onyota.
Tunataka kuhakikisha ya kwamba kila Mkenya anapata nafasi. Nyinyi mko hapa leo, watu karibu watu 6,700 mko hapa vijana. Kuna vijana wengine wengi ambao hawako hapa. Pia na wao tuko na mpango yao, kwa sababu progressively we must reach to every young person in the Republic of Kenya. Na njia ya kuboresha ile human capital tuko naye ni njia ya masomo na training. Na ndio tumesema tunataka kila Mkenya, kila mtoto wa Kenya apate nafasi ya kusoma. It is the reason why tumeajiri walimu 1,100 kusomesha watoto wetu, so that every child apate nafasi ya kusoma. Ndio sababu tumeongeza budget ya kusomesha wa Kenya kutoka bilioni 500 mpaka bilioni 700 mwaka huu. Tuhakikishe hakuna Mkenya anakosa nafasi ya kusoma. Ndio sababu pamoja na hao wabunge tumejenga madarasa mpya 23,000 kuhakikisha ya kwamba kila mtoto In the last 3 years, we have built 23,000 new classrooms to make sure every child is in class.
Mwancho murigirira ukwana kora chinseme chocho nigobono amurikire aborokyo bali bataranyara gose grade ge 10 aiga asense ya Kenya nekero bono anyare ko batuke kuregetinde gucyase abarimu banene bechi skuru ao chechi secondary buna banyare kwitaba abana bono nyeti babwati school fees nabwo gonyemba bwati uniform banyare kogenda chi skuru ne chi uniform chiria bale gutumeka ekero balenge junior schools nigo boigo atomire gusabwa tukiro gukika bucyase abagambi bonzi banyare gutarira ebinyoro ao ono boigo tare mechi iliyo kwana kibuna abana bonzi bagoswe grade ge 10 banyare gwikirana ase school.
Na hii mwezi ni ya muhimu sana. Ndio sababu kabla ya watoto kufika shuleni ile pesa ya capitation tulishatoa pesa bilioni 44 to facilitate a smooth transition from junior school to secondary school. Mimi najua ya kwamba pale shuleni tumeambiwa ya kwamba kuna watoto wengi hawajaenda shuleni kwa sababu mzazi hana pesa ya kulipa school fees, mzazi hana pesa ya kulipa uniform. Mimi nataka nitangaze from Meru, na mimi nataka nimweleze every chief, kila mtoto apelekwe shuleni. Kama mtoto ako na uniform ya JSS, hiyo uniform ya JSS anaweza kwenda kutumia kwa secondary school, akingojea mzazi wako apate pesa ya kununua uniform ya secondary school. Mtoto wa Kenya asibaki nyumbani kwa sababu ya uniform. No child, and let me repeat for our education stakeholders, I am directing that no child should remain at home because they do not have school fees. Every child must go to school. Kwa sababu tumetuma pesa bilioni 44 kusomesha watoto wetu. In any case, there is sufficient money for teachers, for our children to be taught in the first term. So every child, wawe na school fees, wasiwe na school fees, wawe na uniform, wasiwe na uniform, waende shuleni tomorrow morning. Na mimi nataka chiefs, na assistant chiefs, na members of provincial administration, every child in Kenya must report to school tomorrow because we have provided the money to teach all our children. Tunaelewana jameni? Kwa sababu
Mwancho murigirira gutigana nayo kora sechi semi abaraye abaya abo bachorwa abaya ba boda boda abo bachorwa chitariki 10 mutinyo iga nigo bono banyarite kumirana guseni ko banyarire kumirana naboigo gusanga ebirengererio buna barachie kwenekia banyarire kubwatirana gukora emirimo abo bakorwa se municipality ya Kisii niko bono banyarire kubora buna siasa teboneti goswanana naboigo kero baburirie abarayi banyare gusika oboteneneri bwabo na gutabeka siasa roro elio banyare kugendera naboigo gosukani gose kugendereria magimabo naboigo ayechi family chabo.
Kende yonsi gitakeire gokorwa asabana ayabana abarundi baito bo muchoboso. In fact boni yando bwato boraibore intact na ene to bwato borai twanjira nete twes ngana obo tora wika 2029 January tarehe 10.
So mimi nataka kuomba hivi wanasiasa, hachana na sisi wana boda boda. Boda boda industry is an independent industry. We are not working under instructions of any politicians within our district. Na mimi kama chairman ya Bosongo Boda Boda Riders Association ambaye nimechaguliwa na hao viongozi, nataka kuhakikisha ya kwamba wale watu waendezaji boda boda, wale ambao wamefanya savings kwa hiyo sako, nitahakikisha kulingana na sheria wamepewa pesa zao kulingana vile wamefanya savings. Nitahakikisha ya kwamba sanity imeonekana katika industry yetu, sanity imerudi katika boda boda yetu, wana boda boda ni wasafi, hakuna mwenye anakunywa pombe, stages zetu ziko in order, watu makastoma yetu wanafurahia kazi ya wana boda boda wetu.
Kone njira lego tebanga asingi njubura yobu achire. Tigabo beke mikakati emiya Mr. Chairman Fred Nunda beke mikakati emiya chisegi chiara Kisii abantu tokole emirimo yaito no mulembe.
Tafadhalini viongozi ambao wamechaguliwa waheshimiwe. Hawa ni viongozi wa wanabodaboda. Jambo lingine, katika mji wetu ningeomba kuona utaratibu wa wanabodaboda wasiingiliwe na yeyote.
Abana ba minto nto ubaisi kusiro mwerekeo nto bwate bintu bibere eto bwate sako ne administration ebimbiri ko koragasi yereyemo amangana ya association nere ko kora amangana ya administration ne sako ige ko korega nto ko na savings and crediting ngayani ko ngendo beke shares kia se sako ekero wa beke shares kia oye we loan onyari waka ne interest yerense sana ange 1%. So nto jito tabutiane nto araba
Kutigana nayo Mwanjo Murigirire nigo omubunge Okiharu Mosike Ndindi Nyoro bono anyalire kwendana obosemio gochasi abobotani bekiombe kia Minet Kenya ime yomochie Mombasa nigo anyalire gukwendera enchira yokorosia enibo kubabono asigati yabali bose bari abobotani ba Minet nabo igo wekinia nabo igo gukinia nonye uchumi yense chinga kecho nigo abakwanire chinjira chindonge chokonyara kogacha enibo gweterase chibengi nabo igo kwegendereria ase amagima.
By the way, Bwana Daniel, why do you need to hire professionals as Minet? Why do you hire them when all your money is in government boards? You don't need anyone. You can actually run Minet with just an accountant, the director, and 2 other people. Because all the money you get, you know where it is going. So you don't need anyone even to do any analysis for you. You get money, you just kwanza kuna hii board tunapenda sana inaitwa IB, Infrastructure Board. It is tax free, it is nice, it is very high yield, very high. Then gentlemen, why can't we fold our bags and go back home today? Hakuna haja ya conference, because out of 100 shillings we have, over 80 is in government boards. That is the area where we have to think. And if there is any other point I'll give, it is only that one. And don't tell me about regulations and laws. That's why I'm here. That's why the regulator is here. Laws in Kenya are versatile, especially a law that is not entrenched in the constitution, like the regulations that guide the financial industry. They are versatile, they are dynamic, and therefore, they are not cast in stone, they are cast in rubber. You can change. They are actually written on a piece of paper with a pencil. You can rub and write what you want as the practitioners, as the professionals, as the companies. And you have seen it in Kenya. Laws are not static, laws are dynamic, and especially to take care of the industry and growth. There is no way we are going to unlock our potential as the financial industry in Kenya if we are too lazy to invest 8 shillings out of 10 in government boards. We should actually all be civil servants, because you are investing in government instruments. Then all our fund managers should actually have an office in the National Treasury and CPK as the agent of the national government. Tuwekewe ka ofisi hapo, bodi kiletwa, tunanunulia tu hapo kwa transfer.
Wancho Murigirire tumirane na ndasi kionga chinsa ikome charero maragoba erinde tunyara gusanga asenchira ayo bwengekema nguru kwa Matilda baiwa biamono sana soko gendera akobo atie mirobiri ya Getembe TV na bwigo omurobiri ogoso asembe omurobiri of vibes on vibes tobasagoska gendera koyo bwati oveni nyaboke nero koletra iga ase ebimanyere biamono.
Karibu Burabu Technical Training Institute. Iskuru jubo bundi yijese michekerero na magendero. Wakwili ya chisemo au. Asinsemo ya Computing and Informatics Department. Mbabuate. ICT. Computer Programming. Cyber Security. Buigo. Digital Animation and Media. Asinsemo ya Building and Civil Engineering Department. Mbabuate. Plumbing. Building Technology. Asinsemo ya Electrical and Electronic Engineering Department. Mbabuate. Electrical Engineering, Power Option, Electronics, Buigo Telecommunication. Asinsemo ya Institutional Management Department. Nkurubari. Fashion Design and Clothing Technology. Hairdressing and Beauty Therapy. Asinsemo ya Health Science Department. Mbabuate. Health Records, IT na Community Health. Asinsemo ya Business Studies. Mbabuate. Human Resource, Business Management na Supply Chain.
Inje Samarita Dr. Were Mumanyi, the principal Burabu Technical Training Institute. Burabu Technical Training Institute igere Nyamira County, Kebirigo Market. Burabu Technical Institute igeko some abana nade kuru chikosi chinyinge. Chikosi echi igachire chia magoko kose chitokoroka chiko abane skill egere gochimotu banyare gwekorera banyare konyora no negasi bagokoresa obwangu muibori onde bwensi ototegererete tobase gotigo mwana ngabere isiko ngoko bachibesa nchiyo ese institution yaito gose school yaito okoreta omwana oyo tomoapuraire tomobeke se serikali aeguchibesa chie government scholarship gose capitation aeguchibesa kurwe se serikali ese motokoruka help aeguchibesa chia CDF igo omwana oyo ekera iruchibesa ichonsi igemineti nga igagosoma bosa tobaise gotiga omwana oyo isiko ekiagera nga tobwatie besa morete nabo tokobwaterana omwana oyo anyora amasomo achigwekonya nanda achikubakonya.
Intake January 2026 nigo egendreta ilikirero bwenyori baga Burabu Technical Training Institute nigo bagutuka asebare kisi ikonge angeno muchoke brego asamange bakiresimi inuti isano na ibere inuti isano na ibere inye isano nemo ibere eyemo isano na isano nemo inye inuti isano na ibere isano na ibere inye isato ibere inuti isano boigo inuti isano na ibere isano isato inye ibere isano nemo kusoma talire ase website www.burabu.tti.ac.ke Burabu Technical Training Institute, technical skills for development.